Okay, watch this. Maya, if I make this beat in under 30 minutes using only output 1 plugin collection, I'll give you $100.
Yes.
And if I win, what do I get?
A hug.
How about you take out the garbage for the rest of the month?
I'll do it for a day.
Deal. Month. Let's get it.
A day and a half.
Only using output 1 plugin collection. Let's do it.
A day and a half.
Yeah, my foot. All right, I'm starting the clock right here. All right. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I'm nervous. I don't know what to do. All right, give me some groovy.
Do you know you have 30 minutes?
Yes, I know I have 30 minutes.
Okay.
All right, I know I have 30 minutes. I'm gonna do some groovy drums. I'm just gonna say some groovy drums. Right.
Ding. Boom, 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 boom.
Groovy R&B drums. What's that?
Okay. Okay. It's a little vibe.
I like that. I like that.
Little vibe, not the big one, little vibe.
You just want your $100. You ain't really rooting for me. It's different when you have somebody behind you that's praying on your downfall.
I'm really not. I'll never do that.
So I want to get like an R&B piano.
What in the world are you even using?
This is called Output Co-Producer. This particular plugin is called Output Co-Producer. But there's like a bunch of plugins in it. This is hilarious. Explaining this to your sister that has no idea about music production. This is hilarious. But it's a bunch of plugins all in one that do all kinds of crazy stuff. You'll see in a second.
Don't play me. I know a little something, something. I know what a DAW is. Thank you.
I'm sure.
I do. It's a doll. Duh.
It's a doll. Why are you so country?
All right. See?
R&B piano. Here we go. She's trying to slow me down. That's what she's trying to do.
No, I'm not.
Oh my gosh. Watch what I do. Watch what I do. I know you like, what?
Okay, you got an ear, because I just wasn't hearing that. That was dope. That was cool.
That was cool. Nice little vibe. Vibe going.
That was definitely a vibe.
Now what I want to do is, I'm going to open up Movement. I'm going to open up a plugin called Movement. Yes, I know. I'm explaining this to my sister. I know she's like, okay, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, movement. That makes sense.
Because you got to move and jiggy and...
You're kind of in the right place, yes.
Okay, see?
It's going to create a little movement.
Who don't know about audio? Thank you.
This is the worst video I've ever made on my channel. For sure.
Eat it up.
This is the worst.
Don't ever say that in your life.
Here we go.
This is the worst.
I don't know why I put you in this video. Here we go.
Okay.
That's kind of hard.
Okay. Like, I don't know why the vocals in my head are like, this is the lie. Like,
this is the lie.
This is the lie.
Hold on.
Stop. Go ahead and put me on the mic.
No, I'm not putting you on the mic. It's a terrible idea.
Oh my god.
Because then you actually think you could do this, and I don't want to have to produce you.
Okay.
Be terrible. It's a terrible idea.
See, and this is why people's dreams get crushed.
That's a fact. Keep them dreams crushed.
See?
Keep them down. Got to keep people down.
No.
What was that? This is the lie. What'd you say?
That's 10%. Thank you.
That's 10% is crazy.
10%.
Wait, what did you say? You said this is the lie. This is the lie. This is the lie.
Who told him to do that?
Who told him to do that?
I don't know what it's called, but like, I got another ad-lib. Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's called an ad-lib.
Okay. Period. What? Who don't know about music?
Who don't know about music?
I'm helping you, and I want my $100.
You trying to slow me down?
No, I'm not.
You're not slick. You're not low.
I'm not trying to slow you down at all.
Yes, you are. I just wasted a minute going back and forth with you. I'm going to do this first, and then I'm going to come back to you. This is a lie. This is a lie. That's hard. Let's add a wee bit of a delay here just to make it a little bit more fun. And I feel like I could I think Portal has it built in.
Come on, this idea is going to come out of my head, bro.
I got you, bro. Hold the idea, bro. I'm coming.
I'm trying.
1 second. I'm just adding this delay, bro. Hold on. Adding this delay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Co-Producer, and I'm just going to copy this to listen to it right quick. Capture audio. Here we go.
What the heck? That looks insane.
So basically, it just analyzed the song, and now it just gives me a bunch of samples depending on what prompt I put in to give me like stuff that just matches exactly that. So what kind of thing? Like you want to put a guitar to this?
I gotta hear the guitar.
Okay, so what sound you look at you think you want to go for? Like a saxophone, like just anything. You're like, oh, I want to hear this.
I wanna like a bass.
A bass? So R&B.
I gotta hear it though.
Bass? So go, okay, yeah, I know.
No, let me hear, go, bass.
So say,
bass!
Pick something
I said bass!
Okay, R&B bass. Okay, yelling at me, R&B bass.
Okay, no bass. No bass.
What sound effect you want to go for? What sound, like?
A guitar.
Guitar? Okay, R&B, guitar, chords.
Yeah.
R&B guitar chords. Okay, cool.
Ooh. Something about that like fits. Like that ending, I feel like that end of it, yeah. I like that one.
So I want to chop this whole piece, so cut. What's the word? What's the word we should use?
Okay, try groovy.
Groovy? All right. Groovy R&B lead synth.
Yeah, I like that. Put dark.
Dark groovy?
Yeah.
Dark groovy R&B lead synth.
Play it.
Heck yeah, that one. Let's add some distortion to it. All right, cool. Now I'm gonna open up Arcade and I'm gonna create like a little vocal throw here. 1 second, just to fill it up a little bit more, and then we'll get to the bass line live.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna say there needs to be like a, wait, can you play it really quick? Like, there needs to be like either a deep one or a high one where she's like, like either a deep one or really high. Like, it can't be in between. It has to be either really high or like really low.
Let's just get a little bit of pads going, and then once you get a pad, then we'll do a bass line, and we done. How much more time I got?
Yeah, 30.
I got 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I don't want to lose 100. Pads. R&B, smooth, R&B.
Smooth pads.
Pads. Chords. No! I'm not going to lose $100. Ooh. Hold on. Ooh, little vibe. Caught a little vibe. It caught a little vibe.
Ooh, that's cute. That's real sexy.
Oh. Should I do movement on it again? 1 second. Let me see what movement sounds like on it again. 1 second, just to give it a little bit more space.
Bass.
Oh my gosh, I'm trying to move. Dude, I can't lose this. Hold on. So basically it's gonna go. I'm trying my best because I got like a couple minutes. I got the bass line. It'll start like this.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, did I not record?
Stop.
I didn't record that.
Stop. Stop. You're
Do
lying.
it again. Do it again. No,
You're
no, 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 no.
lying.
Hold on. Do it again. Oh, do it again. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, I finished. I had a minute left. And I finished. All right, I finished. All right, I finished. Let's just listen to kind of what we did. All I ask is let me just put a little drop like do boo, like just a
Honestly,
little impact.
I'm not gonna lie.
What?
I'm putting this out there.
What?
This mine.
This mine. What you gonna do? This man.
This man.
This man. What
Like
are you?
Bro, as soon as we finish, bro, I already got like what the vocals and stuff are.
I got the vocals. First of all, anybody that ever tell you they got the vocals is lying. They don't got the vocals.
Let me put some down.
Hell no.
All right, see?
Let me put this one thing. Wait, let me just put this little drum loop. Like, just let everybody let me get one chance to create the impact, and that's it.
You literally have a minute.
I did. No, I finished. Like, we gonna chalk it up to a minute.
No, yeah, you can't do that. But you gotta finish it entirely, the whole thing.
But it'll be a dope video. Like, it's a dope video. If y'all think she deserved 100, leave a comment below. I ain't gonna lie. Leave a comment below if you think she deserved 100.
First of all, this is a lie. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's hear it from the top, and I'm done. I did it.
With how many minutes to spare?
At the last minute, I said, yo, let me just rock. Let me do my thing. But yeah. So if y'all think she deserved 100, y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if you think she deserved 100. All right. She talked to me a lot, which I didn't like. That was cheating.
No, because if I didn't speak, This Is the Life would have never happened, right?
BS.
Okay.
She was talking too much.
No, This Is the Life was the ad-lib that created
anyway.
Exactly.
Here's the top of the song. Listen to the top. Let's just see how it feels when it goes into the verse.
Turn that shit up. We're gonna talk in the beginning of this.
Yo, he's like, welcome to the sounds.
No, literally.
And then it just get crazy. More time, but yo, all right, I did it in more or less within 30 minutes. I even was trying to manipulate it just now just to cheat. I was like, let me just try to. I was like, damn, that's not the right way to put it. But okay, hope you enjoyed that video. Once again, thank you so much to Output for actually sponsoring this video and just letting me have a good time and just show you what is in the Output One plugin collection. I'll make sure I leave a link in the description below with all the amazing plugins that they have in the actual plugin collection for what it is. Thank you to my sister for being a trooper. Shout out to you. Yeah. Yeah. Not the greatest thing I've ever done, be honest with you.
That's actually crazy.
It's a little vibe. It's a little something there.
No, y'all know. Let me know in the comments. I know y'all hear it. There's definitely something there.
Oh no, there's something there. There's something there. It just, it just needs a little bit of love, tender love and care and stuff like that. But nonetheless, thank you so much, Output, for sponsoring the video. And like I said before, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to actually get Output One for yourself with all of these amazing plugins that they have. And that is it. I'm out of here. It's your boy Devvon. Until next time, y'all.